part of the university, being part of the art school, just coming back into education actually was amazing for me as a mature student.
I think my work has developed very steeply because it's a very intense course and Miranda's a very good tutor.
From exhibiting here, I was seen by a woman called Sarah Ryan who runs an online art gallery called New Blood Art, and she's now exhibiting my work online and selling work for me and put me in the papers and things like that, so it's great, yeah.
I would highly recommend it actually. I think it's kind of a secret gem. Yeah, I think it's good. It's good.
Don't even think about it, just do it. It's the best thing I ever did. Absolutely, it's been great. Coming back into education as a mature student and coming here was the best thing I could have done.